The ongoing issues of violence at York Memorial remain top of mind for the TDSB. The board held a special meeting with the conflicts and policing in schools as major topics of conversation. As Shauna Hunt reports, the incidents are just part of a disturbing wider trend.
We are kids who come for an education we can't get because there is no structure. Instead of pinning us as monsters, why don't you ask us why?
York Memorial students walked out of class last week to protest the dangerous learning conditions they've been dealing with since merging with another high school back in September.
School fights, it's hard walking in the halls, you know.
Refusals from teachers.
Yeah, all it takes is to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. You might get caught in the crossfire.
Speaking to City News, staff and students described a school in chaos, daily fights in the hallways, illicit activity in the washrooms, and unsanitary conditions. With police regularly being called to the school, students said their learning was often disrupted by armed officers entering the building, and they felt over-surveilled by police. Even though the TDSB has not proposed reinstating school resource officers, a program that was canceled back in 2017, last night policing in schools dominated the board's 4.5-hour-long special meeting.
These students were calling for funding for supplies, resources to fund clubs and field trips and learning materials. They were calling for more classroom support. They were specifically calling for less policing.
Back in October, at least a dozen York Memorial teachers refused to work. The Ministry of Labor investigated claims of an unsafe work environment. A source sent that report to City News confirming the disarray. The report also noted there was a jump list and teachers feared they were going to be attacked, and some students wore balaclavas to be unidentifiable. The report also ordered the school board to conduct a full violence risk assessment by the end of the week. The TDSB has also outlined a number of steps being taken to address some of the issues, including more permanent teachers and counseling supports, virtual learning opportunities, staggered exit times to help with overcrowding, and a safe system for reporting racism is being established. Overall, the TDSB is seeing a major escalation in violence on school property. The latest community safety report found this school year is on track to have the highest number of violent incidents in the 23 years that data has been collected. And this also corresponds with Toronto police data that shows a significant increase in youth violence citywide.
We look at the Toronto's unemployment rates, the worst in Ontario with Black and Indigenous young people, those rates being far worse for them. Poverty is high, food insecurity, the mental health crisis has just been exacerbated. So it's like, how can we be quick to police our way out of this crisis when we've not even taken the tangible measures to improve young people's conditions?
Shauna Hunt, City News.